Thanks for a good memory. I must cleanse the place first.
Definitely will fit every comfort.
Famous halal. Oh Lord Jesus Christ, look at this line right here. They're here. Let's do this. Wish me luck. Hi, hello. Welcome to my boyfriend's apartment here in Manhattan, New York City. As you can see, we're actually starting to pack because we're going to move in together. Have a lot of stuffs also on his place. So I'm starting to pack my things apart on my place in Brooklyn. In a few days, the mover is coming to pick it up. So we actually got storage rental for the things that we don't need yet. We're actually labeling all the things that we're going to put in the storage room and things that we're going to send to the Airbnb apartment that we're going to stay in. So yeah, so let's continue packing, picking out all my stuffs there. So everything is almost back, as you can see right here. So look at that. Got my Airbnb there in the kitchen. So we almost packed the things that we're going to also send to Airbnb because I love cooking. Few left of my shoes, but wifey's shoe rack is already packed right there. So look at this. So this one right here is going to be thrown in the trash, and this one is in the Airbnb. We're doing laundry right now. So here's our used clothes, and we're going to drop it off in one of the donation centers here in the city. Mostly thrift stores are accepting donations of your used clothes, and for instance, we're here at the Salvation Army.
Definitely will fit every comfort.
Hey guys, so I'm here right now at Airbnb that we're going to stay for 3 months from now. Our stops is not here yet, but I always make it a point that every time that we're staying or I am staying in a new place, I must cleanse the place first. I always believing in the energy. So here I am. I bought some pieces for me to cleanse the room, to have a positive energy before our movers will get here. So I'm gonna show you what I got. Of course, I got some snacks here. Mostly I always getting a lot of scented candles to make the room smells good. So I got here a toilet bowl, this night light for the bathroom. This one is the wax air freshener. So you just have to like take a cube and put it here and then heat up candles and then it will go into scent the place. I got also this diffuser. I'm gonna put one in the bathroom as well. So I got also another scented wax cube. This is eucalyptus. Of course, I need torch here, lighter. Oh, I got the essential oils, the plug-in, French lavender to put on inside the cabinets and storage rooms. But this one is the Palo Santo. This is very, very good for cleansing a space. I really love this. I'm happy that I found one. This is actually the last one. Basically, it's sold out. guys, look at that line right there. Crazy. So let's check the Adele's. Adele's is actually one of the halal track as well that is competing for the OG halal guys of New York City. Actually, we're really curious about who is the best halal. We're always having the OG one, and I'm not gonna lie, it's good. But we haven't tried Adele's one. That might be change who is the best halal truck here in New York City. I'm seeing long line now. Oh, that is crazy line. This is the Adele's famous halal. Oh Lord Jesus Christ, look at this line right here. I don't know. Okay, I have to go back there because this one is gonna be took for an hour. Okay, change plan because I am not gonna fall in line like one whole block for just to get halal. So we're gonna go back there to OG halal guys because it's more or less people compared to Adele's. Tomorrow is the movers is coming actually 9 in the morning to pick up our stops here in Manhattan. So we don't have any time to cook some foods and dinner for tonight. So that's the thing we're gonna do right now to grab some dinner. Adele's one is, oh my lord, crazy line. Let's go grab chicken and rice here in the original halal guys. I'm so hungry. Finally, we've got it. So let's go home and let's get some halal. Yay! Hey guys, it's officially the packing day today, but honestly I don't know how to start. We're going to work this one out. Let's do this and wish me luck.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nose. See me right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Still
Having some snack break.
never really know just what you want. With you I don't.
Look at my lampshades here. So pretty, right? Shut down the camera. Hello. I'm seeing progress right here, and as you can see I have a lot of like packing bags, which is this one is reusable, and I just got this one from Amazon, and it's very durable, so you can use it from time to time rather than using boxes when you're moving in and moving out. You better invest on this blue bag right here. So you can get it from Amazon. They have it from IKEA, but IKEA I think is more expensive. You do the research where you can save some money, but this is highly recommendable. As you can see, all of these reusable bags, everything is packed right now, which is I'm so happy because majority of my stops in this apartment is basically shoes and clothes. So now we're going to pack all the little bits and pieces. I'm gonna wrap all my wall arts, all the things that I have to throw out. We're going to segregate it. lunch break for now. Thai takeout for today. I got the ginger chicken with mushrooms. It's delish. So honestly, it's pretty funny that I haven't actually exploring much of my Brooklyn neighborhood, and surprisingly there's a lot of good restaurants around in my place. Not to mention this delicious Thai iced coffee. Anyway, I already confirmed my booking with my trusted and always to go movers in New York City. And if you haven't heard the piece of cake, what are you doing? A little backstory. So the past few days, also me and my ex-roomies, because I'm gonna leave them, had a apartment applicants little interview for the one who going to get my room, the new one who going to sign the lease. It's literally insane how many people are really looking for an apartment. Most likely for like a whole day. We've done like 15 viewings. My roomies are actually looking for someone who going to blend their personalities together, because of course you're living in a one house, you have to go along with your prospect roomie, right? But I'm happy to say that we found the right fit to replace me on this room. He signed already the lease. It's not gonna be mine already, so I'm done with this room. So yep, let's continue packing. So I'm starting to wrap all my collapsible cubes right here. I have literally like another one full day tomorrow. So it's gonna be hectic and it's kind of tiring, honestly, but tomorrow it's gonna be the last touch-ups and labeling of mostly of the packages. Hi, welcome, and it's my last day here on this apartment. I am almost like 90% packed. Got a lot of progress and I'm so happy about it. Though honestly, packing and moving, I hate it, but pretty excited for a new beginning, a new chapter of my life here in New York City. All set. My mover is gonna be here in the morning tomorrow, and then we're gonna have 2 stops to transport my things. First in the storage room. After, it's gonna be temporary apartment that we are actually living. I'm gonna show you that soon, because definitely there's so much things to see on that area. In New York City it's kind of massive in a way that there's so much things to see, and every time that I'm a new neighborhood, I am actually too excited to try and to show you what's the neighborhood looks like and what's the best foods right there to try. And that is actually part of my upcoming vlogs. At last, done for packing. Everything is set. I can sleep peacefully tonight, and we'll see you tomorrow. Good morning. It's a moving day today. What time is it? It's 6:14 now, so I think they're coming around 7. So I still have time to pack my bed sheets. Yeah, let's do it. As you can see, everything is labeled, so everything is set. I believe they're coming in a few minutes now. The time window of my movers is around 7 to 9 a.m. We're pretty good. What time is it now? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Still got time to have coffee while waiting them. They're here. Piece of cake. It's 9 in the morning right now, and the new new tenant is, I think, coming at 1 p.m. So let's just do the final cleaning of this room. Thanks for a good memory. I moved everything at the storage room already. Heading now to our temporary place. I just want to say welcome to Queens, New York City. Finally arrived, so I need to unpack all the stuffs that have been bought here. Thank you guys for coming with me on this moving out and moving in vlog, and hopefully to see you soon on my next video. Bye guys! Hi. 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 Hi.